huwag kayong pumunta doon. At kung mag-travel kayo, I have this, you write a letter to Anyo, and it will reach my, basta magpermiso, lahat kayo. Pero yan, para walang masabi na, yung iba pala, para walang salita, lahat appointed pati elected. Lalo na kung if you travel using public funds. Just be, ako hindi naman ako magsabi ka, mag-attend ka ng climate change, sige. Ito, daghan namang buang niya. Pero just let me know because kung kasi yung mga appointed positions, hindi yan sila elected eh. Buti kayo kasi elected.